You are welcome to yours channel G classes for better explanation and this is गोविंद झा। आइए दिल के गहराइयों से आपका अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है। बहुत ही बेहतरीन टॉपिक के साथ मैं आप लोगों के सामने आज हाजिर होने जा रहा हूं एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक दैट इज़ फ्रॉम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्लास 10th exercise 8.4 and the question number is the 8th number question of question number 5. So today we have to just discuss these questions, how to make it and why I have just brought this question here because it's very important for the examination of 2020 CBSE class 10th board examination. So please pay attention and have a look. आइए देखते हैं कि कैसे करना है. This is your question and as you must be watching the question is written sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is just equals to 7 plus 10 square a plus cot square a, and we have to just prove. And as you know how you just prove this, we will take a LHS and we will just break it and we will just bring it equal to the RHS. So this is the way to prove. So I have done what I have done. Now you just have a look. फर्स्ट विल राइट LHS और अपने पास ये LHS है और सबसे पहले हम लोग को LHS को लिख लेनी है एंड देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट टू डू द LHS सेम व्हाट इट वाज हियर इट इज रिटन, जस्ट यू मस्ट बी वाचिंग. अब देखिए करना कुछ नहीं है, बस इसको आपको जुगाड़ करना है और सोचना है थोड़ा सा हाउ वी कैन जस्ट रीअरेंज इट. सो एंड व्हाई वी आर रीअरेंजिंग, you know, we are just going to prove this. So you see the first term it is written here sin a plus cosec a and that is under the bracket and whole square it is given. So could we write it as a plus b whole square? क्या हम इसे a plus b के whole square के तरह से लिख सकते हैं? बिल्कुल. And it's written here on the basis of that a plus b whole square only. You must be knowing the formula is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b squared plus 2ab, and this is a very common and on this only it is based. You see this is working as here a, this is working as here b. So a square, so sin a square and the square, if you write sin a whole square then it will become sin square a. So it's written here sin square a, you must be watching. उसके बाद देख सकते हैं b square, so it's written here b and the cosec a is b, so cosec a square and it will become cosec square a, so it's written here. Then after that a square plus b square, what will come? 2ab. So 2 it is written, a is what? Sin a, so sin a is written and b is what? Cosec a, so cosec it's written. You must be watching here. देखिए उसके बाद करना क्या है, प्लस का साइन था तो as it was given I have just given here. Then after that it is again in the term, you must be watching here, it is cos a plus sec a and it is inside the bracket it is closed and whole square it is there. So we will work and we will break it on the this formula, same formula only, a plus b whole square, and the formula is, you know, it's written here cos a, it will be working as a and it will be working as a b. So the first is a plus b whole square, that is a square, so cos a whole square, that is cos square a. Then after that sec a square, that is sec square a, and then after that plus 2ab, so it will become 2 into cos a into sec a, and as it is written you must be watching. Now after that the next step you just see, you can see it's written here. After that what to do, we have to just make an arrangement. You see after getting this step I have just written what you just have a look here. This is written what? Sin square a plus cos square a, but it was not there cos square a, it was cosec square a. I have not changed this, I have taken this cos square a from here and by arranging I have just written this cos square a at second position. So sin square a and cos square a I have written and I have taken in bracket. And why I have taken, you know, this is a one formula you must be knowing, so I will tell you later. Now it's sin square a I have just written, cos square a I have just taken from here, it's written here. Then after that it was 2 sin a into cosec a, this is also left, I will write. So 2 sin a into cosec a, and you know sin a into cosec a, so sin a into cosec a, and cosec a can be written as a 1 by sin a and it will be cancelled, so it will be cancelled and 2 will be still left. So 2 it is written and it is cancelled. So 2 this I have written. Now after that this cosec square a is written here, I have just taken, I have not left it. Then after that what it was, cosec square a, this was sec square a, it is left, I have just written. And then after that again it is 2 cos a into sec a, and it will become the same 2 into cos a into sec a, it can be written as what? 2 into cos a into 1 by cos A. And now you can see this is cancelled, so what is left over here? That is 2. So I have just written 2. Now you just see the next step, what it is there. Now why I just wrote this cos squared A was here, but I wrote at second. Why it? What was the need to write it here? आइए मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैंने क्या लिखा है. आप लोग भी जानते होंगे, एज यू नो दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला साइन स्क्वायर्ड ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर्ड ए, दैट इज 1. सो आई हैव जस्ट रिटन इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस 1 here, you can see. Then after that you see this 2 and this 2 will be added, so it will become 4. So 4 it is written here, plus 4, then plus you see this cosec squared A is written, so I have written here, and this sec squared A, so I have taken here, I have written. And this is the next step. Now in the next step what to do? Now this 4 and 1 will be added together, so it will become 5. Now you see 2 terms are left, cosec squared A and sec squared A, and we have to look towards the RHS also, because by just keeping in mind RHS only we just move through the move towards the proof, so we have to take care of that RHS. Now you see this 5 has come and there 7 it is there, tan squared A is there, cot squared A is there, but we are moving here. Now you see that cos squared A has come and the sec squared A has come. So what to do now? After adding this, we'll write in this formula's form. Cosec squared A can be written as what? And you know, everybody knows it. Cosec squared A can be written as a 1 plus cot squared A. So I have just written here this term, and the sec squared A also it can be written in the same form, 1 plus tan squared A. So I have just written here. Now you see, we'll open the bracket. So if you open the bracket, it will become 5 plus 1 plus cot squared A plus 1 plus tan squared A. Now in the next step, what to say and what to do? This 5 and this 1, 6 and this 1, that will become 7. So all together they will be added, whatever numbers are there. So it has become 7, and that cot squared A plus tan squared A. So I have written 7 plus cot squared A and tan squared A, and hence the LHS has come just equals to the RHS. So it is proved. ऐसे ही देखते रहें और मुझे ऐसे ही जो है एनर्जेटिक बनाते रहें. देखने के लिए आप लोगों को धन्यवाद. बाय बाय, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.